first webcast as a part of the knowledge evangelization program where we walk you through the concepts of statistics, analytics, data science, machine learning, and so on and so forth. In this webcast, we tell you how we assisted a major British retailer improve availability and profitability of their food products at stores, especially the perishable, short-life products. To give you some background, this retailer has close to 800 stores specialized in the foods line of business across multiple store formats, like the convenience stores, the big stores, the stores around your high street, and so on and so forth. The supply chain team is responsible for ensuring availability at stores. And within the supply chain team, the forecast inventory planners does this job for them. Decision making by FIPS is done on a business judgment basis supported by their experience over the years. This has led to a accumulation effect on forecast, due to which forecast accuracy has taken a hit and thereby availability and profitability of the products as well. The client approached us to refine the forecast model so that forecast accuracy can be improved, thereby availability and profitability can be improved as well. Moving on to the solution framework and approach. A forecast error driver analysis was performed by using sales data at a store product date level for the last 48 months. Using this driver analysis, 4 major drivers of forecast inaccuracy were identified. They were seasonality, day of week, promotions, and weather impact. For each of the drivers identified, separate initiatives were kicked in to improve the forecast accuracy. Seasonality. Seasonality patterns were identified at a product store trading group level. A store trading group is a cluster of stores with similar footage, traffic, and other properties. The seasonality patterns were identified for the 52 weeks of an year by using Haltwinder's exponential smoothing technique. Only products with more than 2 years of data were analyzed. Additionally, an annual refresh cadence was defined by checking and reviewing the seasonality patterns. Day of week. Gut-based day of week patterns were replaced by profiles which are supported by the demand fluctuation data across the days of the week. So, by modeling prior performance data, we came up with improved day of week profiles. Additionally, consistency of the day of week profiles were analyzed across the year to understand when and how the profiles need to be refreshed. Weather. Based on weather forecasts, demand uplifts were identified across regions with similar weather conditions and products for the unexpected variation in weather conditions. How do you identify regions with similar weather conditions? Weather regions were identified by running a time series clustering algorithm for identifying regions with similar weather conditions like sunshine, rainfall, and max temperature. And for getting the weather data, it was extracted from the Met department at a region level, which was mapped to a store level using region store proximity mapping. Analyzing demand fluctuations during various combinations of weather parameters in history, a library of sales uplifts were defined. Promotions. Based on the type of promotion, whether it is a multi-buy, BOGO, and so on and so forth, along with this product, store trading group, and duration of promotion, demand uplift was calculated by running a regression model using uplift as a dependent and various attributes such as price elasticity, rate of sale of the product, promotional type, etc. as independent variables. Using all this analysis, what we primarily did was seasonality patterns, day of week patterns, etc. For almost 80% of the products were modified or updated. Forecasts during weather events and promotional events were planned based on uplifts identified from the data and not based on the FIPS gut feeling. Forecast inventory planners, FIMS, category managers were more accountable for their categories, and they were given a Spotfire dashboard which is designed and dedicated for reviewing the forecast accuracy for the past 8 weeks, which also highlights the defaulter in terms of worst forecast across store types and products. Thus, by following a multi-tiered approach spanning people and platform to enable better decision making, forecast accuracy was improved in this British retailers' system. Better understanding of the forecast accuracy and its levers enabled the FIPS to make more informed decisions whenever necessary and reduced unnecessary interaction with the forecasting and ordering system. Implementation of the above-mentioned initiatives led to a business benefit of £2.2 million and an improvement in availability from 92% to 94%, along with a reduction of 0.5% waste from 6.5% to 6% for the financial year 2015-2016. And that's it from our side. Thank you.